Oh yeah, another little video, very short and sweet. Remember this? Well, I thought I wanted options. So for this, lovely little burner here. So what I did was I sent off for this. See that there? This little gadget here. And that goes on the end of here. So we stick that in there. And it allows you to use more than one form of gas, like the gas that comes in aerosol cans, which is much cheaper than, well, the gas that comes in the other cans that a lot of famous, well-known brands give us. So, how much was that? 4 or 5 quid. No. And saves a lot of money if you can use the aerosol cans. And I just got 8 for 9 quid, 10 quid. At Winfields in Haslingden. I don't get both of them to say that. I'm just saying that's where they're coming from and that's what they cost. So yeah, and I spent my money to get. Anyway, yeah, that's why I've got this, to give me more options, so I can use more different kinds of gas, etc. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. Not a bad day out there today. It's a bit windy, not too bad. There was a bit of rain earlier on. It's nice and sunny now. Well, sort of, you know. At least it's kind of, yeah, it's dry now. So, yeah, all's good. I hope you're having a good time. And you're safe, or, you know, even out camping. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? So, take care of yourselves. And remember to use your mask, wash your hands, use the old gel, keep your distance, and then we can possibly, if everyone goes by the rules, get back to normal sometime, possibly, hopefully before Christmas, which would be nice. Take care of yourselves. Ta-da.